Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a scary ghost. Take a black marker and draw 2 ovals for the eyes and 2 circles for the pupils. Draw the mouth with the tongue sticking out. Color the eyes and mouth black. Draw a semicircle for the head and 2 curves for the side of the body. Draw the blanket draped around the arms. For the folds at the bottom, draw a curve on each side and an S shape in the middle. Connect the S to the curves on both sides. Draw 4 lines to complete the folds. Take a light blue marker and color the back of the folds and give the blanket some shading. Color the tongue red and make the pupils fluorescent green so they will glow in the dark. And our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.